All right, people, what's going on? Welcome back. Welcome back, everyone. My phone charger. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. All right. Welcome back, everyone. Yeah, gold is dumped. Yeah, gold's already dumped. Yeah, gold's already had an amazing push this morning. It's going to be pretty difficult to trade today, to be honest, with that push. But we'll also just break it down. We'll break down what's happened. I'll be honest. You're not going to see a trade in the next hour or so. You're just not. The trade opportunity has already come. The shorts were just there right now. To get another trade right now, I don't think it makes any sense. But we'll have a look and we'll break down kind of what we're looking at. Remember, it's month end and you got GDP. Last week was incredible on gold, calling gold perfectly every single day. This week, it's just not it. Who cares? It's 1 week. Let's just get a zoom set up here. Where are we? Top step account, $29. Yes. You can now trade. You can trade up to 5 express funded accounts on Top Step, and you can pick up a Top Step, up to 5 Top Step accounts for as little as $29. Top Step account. Post it in here. You just have to use, what is it? It's code 5 express funded accounts, which is amazing. That's absolutely huge. Huge. Take a trade earlier? Nah, I've not been on the charts today personally. Nah, not with GDP later on. I just saw the gold sells though. Quite a few people in Discord got the gold sells, but now I've just jumped on. All right, let me get everyone in here. Where my phone charger is? I don't know. All right, what's going on, Zoom guys? Welcome back. Using Top Step X, any funded accounts, man. You can do it on any platforms. Doesn't have to just be Top Step X. You can do it on Tradeovate, Quant Tower. You can do it on all of them, man. What's up, man? Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. All right, give me 2 secs, guys. I need to find this phone charger. My damn phone's gonna die. 2 seconds. Next month it'll be, yeah, it'll be the exact same price that you get it for, man, for the whole entire time. Absolutely. It won't go back up. You know, the sale's only till Friday. But when the sale ends, yeah, it won't go back to normal price. It will stay on the purchase price. All right. There we go. All right, get everyone in here. We'll just do a bit of analysis session today. I'm not sure how long we'll stay on. I don't see any setups on gold right now. You got GDP later on. Gold's already had a big push. You're at major 4-hour support. The sells have already come in today. You know, with where is it? Where are we? Calendar. Yeah, you got USD GDP unemployment claims premium home sales, and you got gold at major 4-hour support already having this huge push down. So yeah, it would be an analysis session unless you all of a sudden aggressively start pulling back, which I don't see any reason why you would. Here's the sells. You rejected, grab the highest, push down. Sells from here, it just makes no sense. Doesn't make any sense. I'm not going to sit on it for the sake of it. Let me make this bigger. There we go. A few more of the guys are joining. Let me get everyone on Zoom here. Good morning, Aaron. Good morning, man. Good morning. Hey, Mocky. What's going on? Welcome back. More people are joining in. God, he's just pushing anyway, so we'll just let it do its thing for now. Weekly is also flipping bearish on gold. Having that huge top wick. Let me get rid of this. Broke below 2350, top weight 2350, now breaking weekly lows. You already grabbed last week's low as well, but you are also coming into massive support. You're very big level of support. Now, it doesn't mean you just start buying. If you're going to see longs today, it's not going to come into that news. That news is going to be huge today. Any people looking to buy gold won't be doing it now. They'll be doing it with the news. So I'll be taking no longs today, and not unless you maybe come closer to the New York session. Is everyone in here? I think so. Remember, we got, and this is why you're gonna expect a lot of weird moves. You know, you got month end in 2 days as well. You got month end, you got GDP today, you got PCE price index tomorrow. So don't force trades on the last 2 days of the month. You know, gold has had an amazing month this month. It's been an incredible month on gold. Trying to force trades now the last couple of days because you maybe missed these moves. It's just emotional trading. But yeah, for today on gold, you know, you do have potential longs later on, but that depends how the news goes. Depends how the news goes. It depends how you react around this level, but just be aware that this is a massive level, an absolutely huge daily level. You do, for me, you know, overall on gold, you still have the possibility of coming all the way back up to here, creating this massive head and shoulders before seeing this very large move down. I personally still think that's very possible. That doesn't mean you start buying gold for no reason. Yesterday closed bearish. You need to see closures back above, you know, 2350 if you're going to see that, and then you'd be able to play at what, 500 tick range? Yeah, 500 tick range, and that would also give the monthly that top wick as well. Taking a look at the 4 hour here on gold, you have just come down and you have grabbed, what was that? I think it's Friday's. Is it Friday's low here? Friday's low. So you just grabbed Friday's low. This is going to be a massive level of support here on gold. Remember, what did we not do before this whole push down? You rejected, never re-grabbed the highs. You're now grabbing the lows. So could this be a very make or break area on gold right now? Absolutely. This is a very big area. This is why you need to be careful down here. If you start breaking below this level, then you can come all the way back down to here. If you start to reject it, it really wouldn't surprise me to see gold have a very, very large retracement. Previous 4 hour rejected nicely. This 4 hours only opened and wicked the lows. So by the time this 4 hour closes, could you wick all the way back above and hold this support here? You look to the left, there's a very, very strong level as well. Yeah, it's possible. Very, very possible. Drop to the hourly here on gold. Actually, you guys who took the sells were very nice. Very, very nice. You had two 30-minute equal lows here. You also had this liquidity down here. And you also created a beautiful 30-minute evening star. So selling gold at around 6 a.m. London time was beautiful. You're following this little downward trend. You've had an evening star and you got clear targets. Like, that's what, 100 ticks. Like, that's huge. Absolutely amazing. And that's where you want to be shorting. Do you want to be shorting here? Of course not. And you do also have, you are leaving a lot of liquidity to the upside. You have a trend line coming on down here as well, where you've now bounced off it 1, 2, 3, 4 times, which is absolutely huge. So you're leaving a lot of upside liquidity before the news. You take a look at this in the hourly here as well on gold. I believe you left the perfect hourly double top as well here. Perfectly hourly double top. If you're going to see this big play down, see here, perfect double top, you would be expecting price to come at least back up into there before heading back lower. You kind of broke this level, never really came back to retest it, and just kind of chop down. And to see gold pushing down before major news later on, and same again tomorrow, could this just be the false move to start to see this pull back higher? Maybe. What do you do? Like most times, you see these deep pullbacks, and you range for a while, you grab some lows, and then you have the good breakout. Deep pullbacks, continuation. How's the week looking? Yeah, weekly's flipping bearish. It is also grabbing previous weekly lows, which is nice. Same as here. You rejected, you grabbed the lows, you retested, and that's when we took them buys up at the start of the month. Very, very nice. You may get something similar here as well. Remember, the monthly is going to close in 2 days. Monthly may come down, grab some monthly lows, and then top wick to create that massive monthly evening star. That could be huge. Very, very big. And yeah, that's all I'm really looking at today. If you want any longs on gold today, you just want to wait for the news, and you want to see us get back above probably like at least. It's kind of hard to draw it. It's been a very, very messy week. You want to see you get back above there, to be honest, at least back above there later on, and that's not going to come until the news. Hey man, how's it going? Could you see gold come down lower? Maybe. But, as soon as you start coming to these regions, it's where things get very, very messy. I won't be selling into that personally. So all we need to see is gold to pull back, just to maybe keep selling into them hourly lows. You're not going to have any longs. You can only really have shorts. Asia had some pretty decent opportunities again. You grabbed some highs, reflipped back bearish, broke back below the resistance, had a very nice drive down. Amazing sellers here again, pre-London, 5:30 London time. Boom, beautiful push. So you've had two amazing opportunities here. What time was this? Was this today? No, it was yesterday. That was a lovely 7 o'clock London time. Lovely sell-off there as well. But yeah, you've had a sell-off at 2:30 and again at 6 a.m. So we'll wait for we'll wait a while here and go and see if we can get anything, but I honestly don't see why we would. You've already pushed down today. Why would you keep pushing down? Well, you wouldn't. You push down, you retrace, then you keep going. So you need to wait for this now. This 4-hour close will be key. It's a very, very strong support area. Very, very strong. Nah, I've not been on it today, man. No, I've been on it today, man. Nah, it's good. You got month end and GDP later on. It doesn't really make much sense to me. I've not been watching it, man. We can have a look at other stuff because gold's not doing anything. I should have taken that. Let's have a look at oil. Oil. Let's have a look. Absolutely horrible. Look at that. Look at oil. Nasdaq breaking out. What time is that? Nice push down yesterday on Nasdaq. Very nice. Let's have a look at actually see where like the euro and stuff is leading up to the news as well. Let's have a look. Big push down as well. Big push down with a lot of highs to come and grab. Is that an instant? Yeah, instant daily bottom wick on the euro as well, which is pretty huge. Could also see euro come all the way back up there. Pound having a more of a steeper sell-off. If anyone else is watching anything else, do let me know because you're not going to get anything here on gold today, unfortunately. So you may as well just watch something else. There's no point in sitting there watching this. Actually, not that I trade anymore. Let me just see. I know people talk about GJ on a huge run. Cattle. Let's have a look. Yeah, GJ's been on a huge run, massive run. I haven't traded this in a long time. Look at this. When was this? Back in 22. Look at that, huge. Massive. NQ looking interesting. Yeah, it looks good for a decent pullback. After yesterday's close, kind of been in this one big massive range, and you're almost back down to the lows, which is quite nice. Major area, yeah, kind of here, yeah, you're a very big level, a very big level. If you could pull back before grabbing the lows, yeah, you could have some decent shorts. Yeah, what time is that? Look at that, 7 o'clock London time. That's huge. Where's New York? New York. Here. Grabbed the lows, pushed up, rejected this huge level, smashed straight back down. Yeah, I would say to you guys, definitely do not trade the New York session tonight. Don't try and trade that news. It's going to be extremely volatile. Extremely volatile. Yeah, I think so, Joe. Yeah, I think so, man. You get much more value out of it than watching this for sure, man. It's a smart thing to do, man. Very smart thing to do. Nah, London was amazing last week, but nah, this week nothing. Yeah, sometimes, John. Sometimes I like to just try and get out before it. Like during the day, I'll go to the gym and stuff like that. Try and get out the house. Yeah, definitely, man. But nothing too crazy. Like something as simple as that. Just going for a walk can be, yeah, it can be game changing, man. What's this? Silver up to, it's a good point. Let's have a look. I have some alerts now, they've not gone off, so it's pulling back. I can see silver pulling back much more. I got an alert back down here. See if you can come all the way back down there, retest this massive range before potentially seeing that continuation. Monthly's about to be beautiful, much nicer on silver as well. Breaking out of this range that we've been in since what, 2020? So if you can then come back down and bottom wick, could you see huge range? Very possible. That's what, yeah, that's what you don't want to see. You don't want to see that monthly give you the bottom wick, which would be the grab of these little weekly lows here. Before then, you could consider a pretty decent move up. Well, if long and back on the 5, nah. Well, if you take longs, well, where's your targets? You're going to take longs right into support, right into resistance here. That you buy gold, you're going to be managing your trade right there. Yesterday closed at bearish. I'll take longs if you get back above here into the US session. Nah, they're not really correlated in a technical sense, really. If you go, because you can go here and you can go plus, and then you can go here. Like chart-wise, they're actually completely different. Like completely out of sync, actually. How do you make it so you can? No, alright, candles. You can see here, like they're kind of nowhere near each other, really. I mean, they were a little bit, but yeah, now they're not really anywhere near. Yeah, silver. Yeah, well, gold's already all-time highs. Silver's nowhere near. I mean, silver could hit all-time highs. That'd be insane. It's a very, very steep bottom wick on gold. Yeah, it's insane. Yeah, it's huge. Kind of broke out here. Got in this range since what, July? When's this about to close? In July, yeah, nice, yeah. I mean, this looks like a crypto chart. Yeah. Yeah, that'd be insane. Hold that for the next couple of years. Fuck, it'd be insane. It'd be insane. What I was thinking, yeah, come on. Yeah, huge. Speaking of crypto, let's have a look. Is Bitcoin breaking above 70? No, not yet. Broke above 70, straight back below. Did the weekly break above? No. Yeah, this daily support here is huge. 20, 23, 25-ish, around there. It's a huge level. Nah, I've used heat map before. It doesn't help, honestly. It's very rare that it actually hits the areas. It can be faked out all the time as well. I used to watch Bookmap, but yeah, I didn't find it, honestly, didn't bring me any value. I was starting to watch it for quite a while, and yeah, it looked fancy, but didn't actually do anything. Have you used Dom before? Yeah, I've used it before. Yeah, man. Yep. Go over it. Nah, I'm not going over my overall strategy, man. Check the YouTube channel, I had plenty of videos on it. If I went over the strategy every single day, it would be incredibly time wasting, man. But Just go onto the YouTube channel and watch the latest trade breakdowns, man. Potential sells, yeah, maybe, but it's kind of just forcing a trade. You want to be selling from up here, not down here. If I'm going to see sells, I'm not going to take sells at major daily support. Maybe pull back and then do it. Yeah, definitely possible. But the sells today were here, in here. There's no liquidity grab, breakout, and clear target in this area for me. I mean, you'd have to retrace quite a lot for me to want to see sells today. You'd have to retrace like all the way back up into here, and then you may get it. Kind of same thing here. You grab the highs, push down, amazing sell opportunity there in Asia. You have to pull all the way back up, grab the highs, amazing sell opportunity there. So you literally need to do exactly this. Retrace a decent amount, grab some highs, and then boom, amazing sells. There's been quite a few. It's been a few decent amount of short opportunities today, but yeah, right now is not the one. Thoughts on trading liquidity sweeps? That's all I trade, man. All I trade is liquidity. Like these grabs here. Yeah, Sam, man, up pretty well as well. Very soon. Nah, no way, man. Talk to you soon, man. See you, mate. See you, man. I'm gonna wait for this 30 close. 30 just closed doji. I'll probably doing the same. There's no point watching this. Gold's already had 2 amazing moves today. Like I say, trying to sell or buy here, once you've already had this huge push down, it just doesn't make any sense. Minis or micros? Depends on what I'm trading, man. If I'm trading top step funded account, micros, so then I can trade like 10. Because if you just trade 1 me, then you can't take partials. You may as well just trade micros and you can trade partials. The 2 sells today were here. Once you grab the highs. Here, grab the highs, broke the lows. Could have had this little push down. This was probably the cleanest though. Grab the highs, rejected this area. A beautiful evening star there. The cleanest short was right there, 6 AM London time. That was the cleanest short. You had a liquidity grab and you had downside targets. I think that was beautiful. And I think this one in Asia, I think it was lower time frame. Yeah, here. Grab highs, faked out this resistance, taking that little sell there. Load to come and grab. But the cleanest sell was 6 AM London time. Or taking the break of that low. Boom. Catch there. Yeah, enjoy, Dave. Talk to you soon, man. Where are we? Take the short? Nah, I didn't take it now. I wasn't on the charts then. I was waiting for the London stream. A few of the guys in Discord got it, but it was absolutely perfect. And it was like, you know, even taking the flip of this 30, like it was like 100 ticks, which is amazing. If you'd got that short there, you wouldn't even be on the charts right now. That's the reason I'm not really watching this too much. And these are the setups you need. And they've already happened a few times today. Did the hourly re-grab anything? No. Flip entry? I took one literally last week. This government issue. See how this 30 closes? The 30 closes above. You could probably just range. Remember guys, you got GDP today. It's the last 2 days of the month. If you haven't taken any trades this month, you've missed out. Taking trades down here when you've had over 1,000 pip move last week is not the time to be forcing trades. I'm smart on. Yeah, good chat, man. Yeah, we called literally hundreds of pips last week on gold. If you missed it, you missed it. That's your fault. Trying to take it now makes no sense. You will not make money in the long run doing that. This. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it here, guys. There's nothing. There's no setup here. Like I say, don't force it. Don't take a trade for the sake of taking a trade. There's literally no setups. If you pull back, start grabbing some highs, amazing. You got sells, but there's literally nothing presenting itself anytime soon. Nothing's gonna change here on gold in the next hour. Nothing's gonna happen. So yeah, just leave it. Remember, you got GDP later on. Taking trades before that is just kind of just doesn't make any sense. So I'll leave it for a couple of hours. You guys on Zoom will do the New York call closer to New York session. Hopefully you get a little bit more price action. But for me right now, I'm literally just going to close the charts. There's no point sitting there watching it. So yeah, don't force it. Close the charts. Come back later on, or even not, come back tomorrow. I'm sure you'll still get a great trade. So Zoom guys, I'll talk to you in Discord soon. See you guys. All right, YouTube guys, I'm just gonna leave it there. Gold's already had a 100+ tick push down today. I'm not gonna sit here and watch it and try and take a trade for the sake of it. There's no setups. You got GDP later on. It's the last 2 days of the month. We've had an amazing month. Sitting here watching this go sideways is just counterproductive for all of our trading. So we'll come back again same time tomorrow. Hopefully get a little bit more price action. Remember, GDP later on. Do not force trades. Do not blow your account. They'll be like all retail traders. And I'll see you guys same time again tomorrow. Peace.